The Food Service Exchange presents.
Our parts are clean and we're ready to lubricate and reassemble our machine. We'll start with our rear shell bearings and their gasket. Need our lube, which is going to be made specifically for yogurt machines. You want to get it on the shaft, but not on the key. That will make it very hard to disassemble later on. Inside the gasket, we want a very good amount of lubrication. It's going to snap into place and we're ready to install these into the machine. When you get them back there, you want to make sure the key lines up and it will click in and you'll hear it pop and then you won't be able to turn it. Next is going to be the beaters. We'll take our clip and our scraper blade, put them together. Then we want to line up the blade, and holding both the blades, we'll gently insert the beater and move it around until it goes in. It should never come past the front of the machine. Next part is preparing the discharge door for assembly on the machine. We will start with our prime plugs. These little prime plug O-rings on here. Lubricate. We're going to install our rear shell bearings. Install our front bearings in our discharge door gasket. The gasket has one side that has ridges on it and another side that's flat. We want the ridges pointing towards the door and the flat side out. We're ready to assemble our discharge door into the machine. These front bearings can be a bit tricky to line up with the beaters. Just go slow. We've got the discharge door on. We're ready to install the hand screws. The longer ones will go on the top. With the door seated on the freezer, install the hand screws, tighten equally in a crisscross pattern to ensure the door is snug. Slide the two O-rings into the grooves on the draw valves and lubricate. Lubricate the inside of the freezer door spouts, top and bottom, and insert the draw valves from the bottom until the slot in the draw valves comes into view. Install the adjustable draw handles, secure with pivot pin. Snap the star cap over the bottom of each door spout. Lay the air tube in the bottom of the hopper for the sanitizing process.